Hello there, I'm Ree with WTI, and I was in such a dilemma to figure out how to potty train our adorable little Emmy right here, and JdPet has come up with the perfect solution. These are washable, reusable puppy pads. They are amazing, and they are so soft that Emmy often prefers laying and playing on these. Look at how much they absorb. I poured a 16-ounce bottle of a cherry drink on this and not a drop underneath. We have been using these from when we got her at about 9 weeks to now at about 4 months, and crate training her with these in place. I don't have to worry about her or my furniture or her own safety. She has thrown up, had accidents, even tried chewing on these, and in the time we've owned them, washing them very often, look at how brand new they still look. It absorbs everything very quickly, even the smells. And I really like that this pad stays in place too, no matter how much she rolls around on it because of the anti-slip silica gels on the back. They come in different sizes, which is perfect for whatever area, playpen, or crate you need them for. Now, we got the 40 by 60 because that fits our needs perfectly. These have really given me a peace of mind that we made the best choice for Emmy and how we train her. So there are just so many things to love about these reusable pads by JdPet, but you're just gonna have to get them and see for yourself. And that's my point of view.